Good day. This is Boyang again for Small Engine Mechanic here in New Zealand. This is a part 2 of our Husqvarna K70. Not starting, and the carburetor has been soaked for a long time. Okay. I did not work on Monday, and now it's Thursday, and it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 days soaking in the brake cleaner. Okay, let's clean it and I'll show you after this started. This is a part 2 of my Husqvarna K70. Okay, let's go. So this is it. We're gonna assemble it now, and the carburetor is already assembled. Okay, as you can see, we're gonna install it now. Okay, let's go. Okay, carburetor already installed, and the base of the air filter and pre-filter. So make sure that your the throttle is in a playing or good condition, or in a you do it install it properly. I'll show you. So make sure that air is working together, synchronized. That's the air, and that's the carburetor for the fuel, synchronized. And the last part is put the bolt in the carburetor. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's on. Then we're gonna start it. Make sure the choke is working. Okay, then that's it. Okay, then pump pipe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh shoot. It has it has a hole inside. Oh, it has a hole. That's why it's not pumping. Look. there's a hole. Okay, so we need to improvise. Let's see if it's gonna reach in the corner. I try it again. Here we go. It's pumping. Okay, it's pumping now. As you can see, there's right, that's good. Then spark plug. This is a brand new spark plug. Then we'll start it the air filter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choke on. And pull. Okay, you see that I pull it and no cut at all. It's smoking because someone tried to start it and it's not starting because the filter in the carburetor has been blocked. That's why it won't start it anymore. So that's it for the doing a carburetor. And if you're tuning the carburetor, it's gonna be like for the high, it's gonna 1 and 3/4 turns, and for the low, it's 1 turn. Okay, this is Boyong again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. I hope you learned something, and I'm gonna wrap it up, put it back, everything, and that's it. Okay, I hope you learn, and please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like and share, and thank you for watching. This is Boyong again, small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. Thank you.